honest. Please, let's not prove them right. We've fought over the years to build our image, to do amazing movies, to do quality work. I beg of you, let's not give them the power to say we are disorganized. Over to you.
Growing up with three sisters, you learn quickly that love and drama are not enemies. They are roommates, permanent roommates. So when you see a story about family, tension, emotions lying left and right, just know it's not fiction.
Before I move further, I would like to apologize for noise in the background of this video. Just Nigeria and their up NEPA, down NEPA. So there's a generator downstairs there, and I can't tell the person to off his generator because I want to make a video. Now that being said, this drama that happened yesterday at Iyabo Ojo's movie premiere, The Return of Arinzo, especially that of Funke, Akindele and Toyin Abraham, I don't understand the issue that happened behind the scene. Some people and as much as I don't want to sound sentimental or side one person, or I would like to generalize, like I'm generalizing this whole thing. Some people they go find your trouble in secret, but publicly they go pretend to be friends with you just for the camera and public validation. And there are a set of people that they don't care if they beat me for secrets. In the public, maintain that same energy. So these are two characters. To Toyin Abraham, maybe she don't offend Funke Akindele. Now remember, there was a time one Kunle Afolayan, yes, I think somebody granted that interview and said that they mustn't dance to promote their movie. And I think Kunle Afola, please, if I did not mention that name, I beg, pardon me. I know be Yoruba, I'm just trying, please. Kunle, let me just say Kunle, and Toyin Abraham, something like that. They just joked over it. Or I don't know. Please, just help me, I beg, if I'm mistaken. But I know this saga go down happen during that time. This beef, yes, it must have come from that incident. The last quarrel Funke Akindele and Toyin Abraham had, it was Iyabo Ojo that settled these two people. So seeing them publicly now behaving this way, especially Funke Akindele, I don't know, maybe my instinct is failing me, but do you think that Funke should have, gave her that energy that she gave her? Like, I think she should have pretended, or do you think that she did what she did is right? Now, some people are dragging Iyabo Ojo, that why would she be entangled in all this? She's just friends with everybody, and I'm like, Kilode. So because this person they call her, make she say join the whole body. What makes her the queen mother? The queen mother, now to bring peace now. I believe after this, she go step in. Yes, she will step in. Besides, these two people, they are two adults. You don't tell them what to do. If you don't talk, they know here. You go just leave them. And you don't expect this one not to come because this one is coming. They're possible. Queen mother is always attending. If you see any party where you invite this woman, she go come. So it's now her turn, and it's their duty to pay their dues. That's how I see it as well. So dragging queen mother in all this, in all this, is pointless and baseless. Now that being said, let's move on to the next one. This person you are seeing here is Judy Austin's ex-husband, Yul Edochie's second wife. Yes. He attended May Edochie's makeup cosmetic brand launch in Abakaliki, and listen to what he said. This man, I don't know saying they talk like this, so while I be like Jingle Bell.
I'm live and direct in Ebonyi State, Nigeria. No prick warrior is allowed here. No prick warrior is allowed here. We only accept decent people here. We are live and direct in the Ebonyi, that you people can see, as we are expecting how things is going to happen today. We are going to shut down Ebonyi State. We are live. Yes, it's yesterday. I'm in Ebonyi State. We are just cruising around. They go see what P5G. Show them what is going on. This is not for pre warriors. So this place is not for the Husband Spatials Association.
Yes. So I'm here with all my friends. The people are on ground. There are so many people on ground. Small time that we said this is AI. This is not AI. We are it's happening. Not all these big warriors. You can see that.
So this man they talk like this. Now wow. Somebody said now him make Judy Austin left you. Okay now. Guys, what do you think? What do you, especially that of Funke Akindele and Toyin Abraham? And another thing that I would like to say here, because this greeting Toyin Abraham and Funke Akindele, I don't know whether it's because of this classism or what, I don't know, but when it comes to age, I think Toyin Abraham is older. Or am I mistaken? Please, I start to be corrected in the comment section. But she should just tune it down a bit, I beg. This auntie, this, I beg. You know, small things they bring see finish. Small things they bring see finish. Yes, in as much as everybody just trying to pay their dues, give respect to whom respect is due. But at least sometimes you carry shoulder pad, at least I beg. Maybe bring attach small respect to your name. And she has unfollowed. In fact, both of them have unfollowed each other. Yes. They don't unfollow each other. And Toyin Abraham said, let me read out what she said. She said, she no go, okay, let me go through my screenshots, what she actually posted. I think this lover was the one that, okay. She said, I have unfollowed her. God forbid bad thing if I ever greet her again. That means I am a bastata. Ha! Voila. You can pause to read. It is well. That being said, that brings me to the end of this video. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we deal on trending gist, celebrity news, true crime and true crime stories. And to my tiny, beautiful, wonderful, handsome, awesome, amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much for your massive support and always watching. Bye bye for now, as I'm signing off for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Bye bye.